Hello friends, today we are going to learn about 6 most talkative dog breeds. Beagle, Dachshund, Siberian Husky, Bicon Frise, Pomeranian, German Shepherd. Thank you.